The hardest part about making these crispy smashed potatoes is making sure they make it to the dinner table. You'll be tempted to eat them all straight off the pan. These crispy smashed fingerling potatoes are buttery with crispy edges and fluffy, creamy centers. You can serve them as a snack or side, with or without a sauce or dip. Whatever you do, they're a definite crowd pleaser. To make this recipe, start by filling a pot with salted water. Add the potatoes and bring to a boil. Cook the potatoes until fork tender. For fingerling potatoes, that's 10 to 15 minutes. Drain, then transfer them to an unlined baking sheet. It might be tempting to line the sheet with parchment, but don't do it. The potatoes get crispier with a bare pan. Use the bottom of a cup to smash the potatoes, then brush them generously with olive oil. In our testing, we found that butter adds better flavor, but it's too early to add it at this stage because it'll burn. So hang tight, that'll come later. Once both sides are brushed with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Bake until golden brown, about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, mix melted butter with garlic and onion powder. This will help season the potatoes even more, but it's important to add them halfway through, otherwise they'll burn. We tested an option with fresh garlic, but it burned way too easily, so choose garlic powder for this one. Brush the tops of the roasted potatoes with this garlicky butter mixture and bake again for another 10 minutes or until deeply crispy. You can garnish them if you'd like, using flaky salt, fresh thyme, or other herbs. These smashed fingerling potatoes are extra delicious with sauce like red chimichurri, or try Dijon aioli or tzatziki instead. Just make sure to serve them hot and watch them disappear quickly.